Okay, so my table been small. I can't say make I do small this thing stand na console wey I go dey put my TV. I know video when I go cut the wood for one place wey dem dey call timber shade for Dugbe. So as I cut am finish now, I get wood wey I keep for house. I been dey use the wood dey do table when I wan shoot. And I come carry am dey cover gen. Now I say okay, since my table don look like say e don dey too small, make I just use this medium do small furniture work. If you say I no qualify, if you call am carpentry work, na the same thing. As I do am now, see say I dey measure everything. No be like say I get am perfectly. You know say I no learn this work. I just dey do am because say I dey idle. My screen been spoil, so all this time I dey use am while away time because I no fit work. I no fit edit any picture till dem fix my screen, my big screen wey I dey use work. So I say make I use this one now, dey while away time. You see as I don fix am. When I do this thing finish, e be no work oh. I still go market again, go buy wood wey see that wood wey dey like say na carton color. Now I use brace this thing, the console. You go see am now say I don finish. Tell me wetin you think about this work. No forget to like or follow me so that I go dey post more things like this for una.
Just look now. See the results. Sharp.